江流香港 HK2 天气漫游。我们将一同游览香港两座标志性大桥昂船洲大桥和青马大桥。回程时，我们可以看到经油麻地行驶的历史建筑和感受果然的地道文化。为了阁下安全，请谨记在旅程中不要把手或物件伸出车外。巴士行走时也请不要在上层站立。现在，请各位享受沿路的风景，听住我们的介绍，一同来一趟天气漫游吧。Welcome aboard KMB Tour Hong Kong Route HK2 Skywalk. Join us as we journey across two Hong Kong's iconic bridges, the Stonecutters Bridge and Tsing Ma Bridge. On the return trip, we can admire the historic buildings of former Yau Ma Tei police station and experience the authentic local culture of wholesale fruit market. For safety reasons, please do not lean out or extend items outside the bus, and remember to stay seated while the bus is in motion. Without further ado, please sit back, relax, and enjoy the beautiful scenic view while we guide you through this breathtaking bridge adventure in the sky. 歡迎各位乘搭九巴遊香港 HK2 天際漫遊，同我哋一齊遊覽香港兩座標誌性嘅大橋昂船洲大橋同青馬大橋。回程時，我哋可以睇到舊油麻地警署嘅歷史建築，同感受果欄嘅地道文化。為咗閣下嘅安全，請緊記沿途唔好將手或物件伸出車外。行車時亦切勿喺上層站立。而家就請各位享受沿路風景，跟住我哋嘅介紹，一齊喺大橋上漫遊天際啦！下一站是西隧轉車站，雅港道。The next stop is Western Harbour Tunnel Bus Terminal 拉上路。下一站係西隧轉車站，雅港道。要體驗香港中西共融的文化氣息，一定要到西九文化區逛逛。裡面的 M+ 和香港故宮文化博物館分別展出世界各地藝術品和布光典藏。If you want to experience the cultural fusion of East and West in Hong Kong, you must visit the West Kowloon Cultural District. Inside, M+ showcases artwork from around the world, while the Hong Kong Palace Museum exhibits treasures from the Forbidden City. 想體驗香港中西共融文化氣息，一定要去西九文化區。入邊嘅 M+ 同香港故宮文化博物館分別展出世界各地嘅藝術品同故宮典藏。